Our Skycam time lapse in Grand Forks, the home of Economy Skycam Network, showed a fairly cloudy sunset tonight, but just enough of that clear sky to show a little bit of color moving through. But now we're seeing fairly overcast skies, and very similar trend up in Devil's Lake. Our Devil's Lake home of Economy Skycam also showing fairly cloudy but quiet conditions for tonight. And we can confirm that on satellite and radar. Just a little peak of clear sky in the extreme northern valley, but you can see those clouds will begin to move in over the next couple of hours. We're seeing the coldest air tonight up near Roseau, Baudette, Bemidji, Wadena. Those temperatures in the low 30s. We're seeing mid and upper 30s for Grand Forks and Fargo, and warmer air down to the south and west. 45 in Gwinner, 43 Valley City and Jamestown, still 48 degrees at this hour down in Aberdeen, South Dakota. Your hourly planner for tonight in Fargo. Our sunset was at 4:53 p.m. and we'll continue to see fairly cloudy skies hang around, but that will help keep us insulated in terms of our temperatures. We're looking at those temperatures remaining in the 30s and only falling into the 20s for our overnight lows. But take a look at the wind. We'll be picking up over the next few hours from the west and then switching to out of the northwest, sustained in the teens and 20s with those gusts into the 30s to near 40 miles per hour by morning. In your hour-by-hour forecast for tonight, you can see those wind arrows continuing to pick up during the overnight period. Now, as we head into early tomorrow morning, the extreme northern Red River Valley might get clipped by a little bit of light snow, especially out towards Lake of the Woods, Baudette. Very minimal accumulation is expected with this short little system that will be moving through. Over the course of the day tomorrow, we will see clearing skies, and notice those wind arrows. They've really diminished. Our winds really dying down for the second half of our Sunday, but we could see gusts nearing 40 miles per hour overnight tonight and for the first half of our Sunday, but the second half not looking too bad. Overnight Sunday and into Monday morning, we will then have a clipper system moving through. We'll see increasing clouds, not much wind, so keep note of that. But this clipper system will go across the northern Red River Valley and then spread across western Minnesota, bringing the chance for around a dusting to possibly upwards of 2 inches of snow across the northern counties, with maybe a little bit of mixed precipitation mixing in for portions of west central Minnesota. That moves out, and for the rest of our day on Monday, we'll still see fairly light winds, and these clouds will be decreasing over the course of the day. For your Sunday in Fargo, we'll see a sunrise at 7:31 a.m. Temperatures fairly mild to start our day in the 20s, but not warming up too much. We will see decreasing clouds, decreasing wind for the second half of the day, and temperatures only topping off in the mid-30s before sunset at 4:52 p.m. A snapshot of your hometown forecast tomorrow, 4 p.m., calls for 20s up across the Devil's Lake Basin, 30 degrees in Grand Forks, 33 in Fargo, 25 in Bemidji. Taking a quick look at Tropical Storm Iota, this is the 30th named tropical system of the 2020 season. It's forecast to strengthen into a major hurricane before impacting Nicaragua and Honduras. Closer to home, things are looking quieter, and coming up in a few minutes in our 7-day forecast, I'll show you when we might see some more snow and what our temperature profile will be looking like.
All right, well, thank you so much, Summer.